Welcome to Crypto versus Crypto, and in this episode we're going to take a look at the second quarterfinal round to see who advances to the next round. So let's get into it right now. Yo, what's going on? It's LJ here from LJAvillas.com, and my mission is to help you successfully learn how to make money online and build wealth for you and your family. So if you're ready to join the VIP crew, then go to LJAvillas.com to be a part of our global community. Yo, what's going on? It's LJ here, and if you like videos about how to make money online and build wealth for you and your family, make sure you join the VIP crew and tap the bottom right here to subscribe to this channel. Make sure you super click that bell notification so you're the first to know when I drop the next video. To see my top recommended cryptos for you to invest in and profit with, check out that link in the description below. I'll be glad to share them with you. And this video is sponsored by Moontrust. If you want to learn about Moontrust, you can check them out at the link in the description below. But for now, we are on the second quarterfinal match to see who goes on to the semifinals and advances in the Crypto versus Crypto World Championship Tournament. So let's get into it right now. So we're going to share my screen here, and we can see here we're on the second bracket to see who wins. Is it SafeBTC or is it Hungry Bear, Safe Nebula, or Martian Dao? Because we're going to find out who advances now. The way we're going to do that is take a look at the first videos. So we can see here we have SafeBTC versus Hungry Bear, where we had 89 comments. So there was a good amount of comments. So we're going to take the link here. What we're going to do is go to pickawinner.co, and then we're going to paste in the link here. We're going to fetch to the first one. You can filter by keyword. So we're going to filter by keyword SafeBTC. So we're just going to put BTC. So let's see how many it had. So there's 15 comments for BTC. Okay. And then we're going to refresh the screen again. And SafeBTC versus Hungry Bear. So we're going to pick one of the keywords, paste in the link, fetch it. We're going to keyword filter for Hungry. So let's see, 15 and 4 comments for Hungry Bear. Hungry Bear 4, meaning SafeBTC advances to the next round. So we got SafeBTC. Now the winner will either go against Safe Nebula or Martian Dao. So let's take a look at this video over here. And we see we actually only have 15 comments. So we're actually going to eyeball this. And when you're looking through, you're going to see Martian Dao, recommending another crypto, Martian Dao, a question, Martian, unsafe Nebula, Martian. So I think it's safe to say Martian Dao is advancing to the next round for this one. So Martian Dao. So now this video we're going to review SafeBTC and Martian Dao. So this is going to be a fun matchup. Now let's take a look at this. First we're going to take a look at SafeBTC. Now, just go doing, we already did the full review video, so we're going to take a look at this high level and then review the charts to kind of see where it is as well and how things are looking. It's a frictionless yield generating community token where you can earn interest on SafeBTC, how to buy, which is on Pancake swap, what their competitive advantages that they have. There is 1 quadrillion in supply total. Circulating though, there's only 391 trillion. So they burned over 608 trillion tokens, which is great. The price is still super low. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 zeros out of 7. Still super early to get in. How they distribute their tokens. Oh, look, they have the chart right here displayed. That actually is going to help us out. Let's take a look at this. I'm going to make this a 4-hour chart, and we're going to take a look at the full spectrum of this for the all-time. Let's see how this grows and the trend that it has. So you take a look at the trend here. Just like follows, a little spike and then consolidated right here. And then we have a nice little spike here and it consolidated here as well. Had a nice consolidation. Then it took a real big spike, lost a couple 0.02. Nice, but came back down, which is consolidating now at this level, which is fine. The big thing is it's still consolidating above these lower levels, which means it's maintaining that we're holding strong the holders. These are just whales coming in, whales dumping in and out. That's what happens. So now we're consolidating, might consolidate for a little bit of time and then continue on with the spike, which is the trend of it. So definitely see good things in the future for this for SafeBTC. Here's our timeline, what they have going on. For stuff in March, April, etc., etc. And this I love. They have a SafeBTC wallet that they're working on to come through in the future. I think that's going to be something really cool and really functional that will be helpful in the future. I'm looking forward to seeing what that has to offer. And then the FAQ, what it is, and all that fun stuff. So now we're going to go to review Martian Dao, which is the Poo coin chart. We'll bring that up in a second. So what they're about, it's a fun, engaging, community-driven project token, which, hey, you guys are doing great. You hold MA Martian Dao, and then you get reflections, LP liquidity, and burn. So they do 8% tax, split 2 ways, 4% redistribute to the holders, and 4% split 50-50 sold back to the BNB, which is great. And I believe SafeBTC also does that burn as well, and redistribution. I just didn't see that in here. I kind of skimmed through the tokenomics, and I will review this as well before in detail, but I believe they also do a burn. SafeBTC does. Most of these tokens pretty much do now. So their mission is essentially pre-sale to release under Martian Dao, roll out a defense or mobilization. Here's their roadmap, what they have going on, NFT marketplace for the future, website update, expanding the team. Here's their tokenomics. There's 1 quadrillion in supply. They've only burned 354 trillion, while SafeBTC has already burned 600 and so trillion. There's only 393 in supply, so there's a lot more Martian Dao tokens available. So, you know, definitely both are good for long term. Taking a look at the MetaMask step-by-step how to buy on Pancake Swap. So let's bring up their chart and see how the chart is looking. So taking a look here, it launched April 6th, so it's a little over a month old at the time of this recording. We had that little initial spike and drop, so it's a lot of up and down with this one. Not too much consolidation as you can see, but it looks like it's starting to consolidate a little bit over here. Had another nice little spike and drop. So we're consolidating. The big thing is these spikes where it's consolidating it's above the previous low. So that's the good thing. Spike, it's bringing low, and even on this downtrend, it's starting to come up again, which is this is higher than this previous low. So that's definitely a good thing as far as Martian Dao goes. So now it's time for you to decide who advances to the next round, and the winner of this will go to the semifinals, which would be against Octans or FEG. So now you get to decide. Now before we go, I do want to give you a chance to look at some other cryptos. At the link in the description below, I have my top recommended cryptos to invest in a profit with. If you click the link below this video, you will get taken to this page, put your email in, and you'll be taken to this page to see the top recommended cryptos to invest in. I have a video here explaining some, so if you want to get in early on some others besides SafeBTC, Martian Dao, they'll be there to explain, and some other ways for you to invest and profit with crypto. So now it's time for you to decide and vote. Let me know in the comments below who is advancing to the next round. Who's it going to be? Which is the better crypto? Is it SafeBTC? Is it Martian Dao? Both have great projects. The charts look good to both. Definitely good long-term holds, but which one is better? And which one will advance to the next round into the semifinals? Looking forward to seeing results. Let me know in the comments, SafeBTC or Martian Dao. You decide with your votes. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, skis. Super appreciate it. And please feel free to share this with your community as well, so they can come in and vote, because the more votes, the higher chance for this video, which means we can get you to the semifinal round and do another review video for you. So looking forward to seeing your results and what you guys vote for. And if you haven't yet, make sure you join the VIP group by clicking over here to subscribe to the channel. Make sure you super click that bell notification so you're the first to know when I drop the next video. To see my top recommended cryptos for you to invest in, go ahead and check out the link right there. And to watch one of my next videos, you can watch one of these two right here. I'll see you in the next video. And always remember, you're just one side hustle away. Take care.